Hi, in front of me is TCL 10SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use Apps Lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Security, scroll down and tap Apps Lock. Over here you have to pick your pattern, so I have to draw it, click Continue, draw it again and tap on Add Apps. Pick apps that you want to lock, I will go with Camera, and when you're done, tap at the top right corner. Now when I go back and try to access Camera, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!